money and get out the way. Let's go. Big East, Decatur. Run it up, we get that paper. Stay far away from you haters. On my way to the spot, I see you later. East, Decatur. Run it up, we get that paper. East, Decatur. Run it up, we get that paper. Yeah. What it do, y'all? It's your boy Migo, the entrepreneur. I'm back with another slamming video, man. Y'all know I'm new to the YouTube thing, so y'all gotta excuse any way I make these videos. I'm dropping them. As long as I give y'all the content, enjoy it. You dig? I just gassed up. I'm about to go knock this house out real quick in Decatur. It's like a small 2-story house. Probably like 1,700 square foot, 1,800 square foot. Front walkway and the up to the front door. It's dirty. It got green. It's dark green, like it's green. So we about to go touch that up as well. I can't wait for y'all to see how dirty it is, man. I'm about to make this a good one, man. I'm trying to make my videos better and better every time for y'all. Like I said, I'm new to this YouTube thing, so y'all welcome me here, because I'm here for a while, and I got a lot of people that y'all gonna see on this channel, that y'all gonna see on these videos and stuff with me. I'm just getting it popping. I'm just kicking the door in for me and my folks, so y'all gotta just bear with me, all right? We real entrepreneurs from the dirt, from the bottom, no handouts, nobody gave us nothing, not even the knowledge that we know. No help, no nothing, so it's a blessing for me to know what I know and for me to give back the information that I found out on my own, the ups and downs, the bad, the good, what I messed up doing. You know, I messed up doing this, I messed up doing that, you know what I'm saying? And I learned from those mistakes, you know what I'm saying? So I can tell y'all what I know and what I don't know. We gonna figure it out together, you feel me? Comment down below what you want to know about me and my company, man. You know what I'm saying? Where I'm from or whatever, anything. But let's go, y'all. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, y'all. This is what we're working with. This the front. You can see how dirty it is. Got a little red dirt on the bottom. Tried to upsell this driveway. Hopefully when they see this, how clean this gonna be when I get done, they'll want to get the driveway clean. I moved the mat. It's just the print. All that, it's dirty. Nothing that 12.5 won't kill. I'm about to just clean that up, make that look a little better back here. I think I'm gonna lay this. I'm gonna lay that tie down so I can hit this wall good. Move that forward a little bit so I can hit all that. At least my solution to hit it. Kill all that mold and mildew and whatever else may be on it. About to clean all this up. Them gutters. See them gutters? They dirty. I like the video too, so we get all the damage. You get all the damage at the same time, you know. I'm gonna get a couple before and after pictures, and then I already got my water connected already. So that's what we about to do, y'all. I'm about to get my hoses pulled out real quick, my blue hoses, and then let me get set up, started, and then I'll be right back, y'all, in a few minutes. Be right back. Simple and plain, get the job done. I love it. I always pull up with my my pump up spray already, because I never know when I need to use a hot mix, you know, because I ain't got my 12 volt system on here. I ain't got my 12 volt pump on here, my diaphragm pump. So I just keep that like that. That's straight 12.5. That's water I forgot to fill up, but I fill it up. Let's go. I'm gonna use my turbo nozzle for the concrete. I lost all of these. I used to have an X-Jet, but I lost it. When I put it in the tip of my gun and I tried to shoot it, it popped out. So make sure your nozzles are in all the way when you put your nozzles in, because they'll shoot out. And that's what happened with my X-Jet. And I've been using these, but I lost them too. And this the only one I got. So I use it. So I'm gonna need it for now. I'm gonna go get some new ones, but and I'm gonna use my M5 twist nozzle for downstreaming. But I'm a downstream. That's why I keep this filled up with water, so I can downstream my water when I get through using my chemical. But that's another topic and subject. Let's get to it. Side right here and work my way around, so I might soak this side and this side at the same time, and then when I get done soaking this side, I just come back and rinse from right here on over. Pre-treat my concrete while I'm pre-treating the front of the house, and then by the time I get to the front, I just do the concrete first and then wash the house, and then go do the side and the back. It won't take long. It's 2 o'clock on the dot. Let's see. Well, see all that? We're about to clean all that on up. I'm about to apply my chemical from over here to the front, and I'm gonna pre-treat my concrete. And then while that's sitting, I'm gonna go on and knock that front out right there, that concrete, come back and rinse all that. I let my chemical sit a little longer in the wintertime when it's cold, because it be kind of hard for that SH to do its thing in the cold. But even though it ain't too cold here, it's still cool. So I let it sit a little longer than 10 minutes. Plus it's dirty, you know? Let's get it. Plus I got my shotgun today, y'all. Got my shotgun. Let's go. I had to come show this to y'all again before I started, just so y'all can see how dirty this really is. Like, it's really dirty. I just caught that dude right there, just came out. He want to get his driveway clean. If I got time, I'm gonna knock it out today. Giving it a good rinse. I'm gonna go around there and hit all that. All right, I'm about to go in. Turn my chemicals on now. Turn my chemical on. Put my M5 twist nozzle in. If that wasn't concrete, I wouldn't even did that, y'all. If that was final, I wouldn't even aimed that at there and did that like that. I'm trying to see when my chemical come out. There we go. There we go. You can see it. See it? See, I don't use that much chemical in mine. I mean, that much soap in mine. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want it to take so long for it to rinse. Because all I got is a 4 gallon a minute. I don't want all that soap. The more soap you use, the longer it's gonna take to rinse. But you need just a little soap for the SH to stick to the surface. All right. Let me get this side soap. Let me soak this side real quick. I'm about to soak all this, and then I'm gonna start pre-treating that front, that concrete, and then I'm gonna start rinsing, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Don't forget to soak all your plants and flowers around before you start applying chemicals. You know what I'm saying? To protect all the plants and stuff. Make sure everything wet. I always start soaking from the bottom to the top and rinse from the top to the bottom. All right, y'all. We treat all this shit, everything. And the chemicals on everything. We treat all this. Once again, make sure you water all your plants. All right. I always start soaping from the bottom to the top and rinse from the top to the bottom. We treat all this shit, everything. And the chemicals on everything. We treat all this. Once again, make sure you water all your plants. All right.
One hour later.
All right, y'all, I'm done. 3:30. Everything is clean. Everything is clean from the bottom to the top. That's clean. Can't forget to take a picture of that. That's the only thing I didn't take a picture of. Got all that red dirt out the way. Oh, that's clean. Look at that. Amazing. Everything is super clean. Just the way they wanted it. I remember how dirty that was in the gutters. Things just wet. But it's clean. You know what I mean? Oh yeah. This look amazing right here, y'all. That came out so good. I put my turbo nozzle on it, but y'all know what's up. Right there. Oh, this it look like day and night.
We should have took it before and after.
I did. I can send her some. I sent them to her.
I said, see what this lady's house looked like before I started working.
Oh yeah, that's good marketing for me. I already did that first before I started.
How long you been doing this?
Like 7 years.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, man.
What's the, you don't have no cards or nothing?
Yeah, I got some. I done packed up. I paid and everything. Gotta keep your marketing material on you guys. Keep that material on you. Make sure your design alright too. And they ain't cheap. These ain't no cheap flyers. Let's go. Well, y'all, that's the end of my day for the day. Second job of the year. And guess what? I caught these folk out promoting, marketing, networking. The girl seen me and she stopped me. Hey, can you come look at my mom's house? I gave her a good deal right then and there. She was like, when your availability? I was on the way to wash her 2 houses. So, but I knew I was gonna knock it out real fast. So I was like, I really just calculated how long it was gonna take me to do those other 2 jobs and gave her a good time, and she was with it. And I went back and I got the job done successfully. But always keep your marketing material on you. Always get out and market, and always stay on your job. Like, stay promoting and networking and marketing, even when you do got jobs, even when you is booked up. Because when the jobs slow down, you don't want to get the jobs and be, oh, I can chill because I'm booked up this week. No, it's time to go harder still. Because when you done with them jobs, then you ain't gonna have no work to do. You know what I'm saying? So keep grinding, man. Stay hustling. Always look for the upsell. Always stay on your grind. And always keep chemicals. Don't never run out. Don't never be like, you know, go and get chemicals when you run completely. Don't never go completely dry. You know what I'm saying? Stay on it, man. You know? Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Y'all hit that notification bell. I'm dropping. I'm gonna try to get y'all 2 videos, 3 videos a week. I'm trying to get as much content out as I can. I'm new to YouTube, so y'all gotta bear with me. But everything is good. I'm out here. I'm here. Big Migo, the entrepreneur, Brown Washing LLC, man. Decatur, Georgia. Y'all go hit that notification bell. Subscribe. I'm gone.
Decatur. Run it up.